welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a different lunch idea. Me and my wife both work from home, so coming up with lunch ideas is a little bit difficult. So we saw this one on Instagram the other day. Seems quite easy, quite cheap, and it looks great, to be honest. So all we need is a couple of crumpets, some cheese, some beans, an egg, and an air fryer of some sort. Today we're going to use the Ninja Foodie 15-in-1, but any active fry or air fryer or whatever it is will be fine. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to cut to the actual method and what you need. You're going to be introduced to my wife Jen. She's going to be doing the actual prep work whilst I film, because it's just easier that way. So hope you enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Jen, and this is how we make the crumpet hash. So I'll go through the ingredients first in front of me. 2 crumpets, some beans, handful of grated cheese, 1 egg and some oil. So first of all, you just need to get the oil and just put a squirt of it in the middle of the Ninja pot. Next, you'll need to take your crumpets and cut them up into about 9 1-inch squares. So 9 pieces, they should be about 1-inch square in total. Doesn't have to be 100% neat, as you can see. Perfect. So now you'll need to lay these out just in a ring on the outside of the pot here. Okay, so that's your crumpets now in a tight knitted ring in the pot, as you can see, because obviously we need the egg to stay in the middle when that goes in. So now we're going to put our beans, just spoon them on top of the crumpets.
I'm already hungry looking at this.
Yeah, me too. I was hungry just looking at the recipe. There you go. Okay, so that's your ring of beans. And then next you take your grated cheese and just sprinkle that on top of the beans. Obviously you can be as generous or not as you like with the cheese. It depends how cheesy you like it.
We are very cheesy people.
I was going to say, in this household,
there's never enough cheese.
Cheese does not go to waste. So let's just put a little bit more over. Let's try and get some in the middle.
Sorry, I don't mind the egg a bit cheesy.
There we go. Is that enough for you, Stu?
That's enough, yeah.
Perfect. Okay, and then last you need to take your egg. So here's your egg.
Jen is left-handed and very cat-handed. So
and I've never broken an egg with a spoon before. Right, here we go.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, and then you just need to place that. There we go.
That looks like a good egg.
It does. In the middle.
Cool.
So now I'm going to hand this back over to Stu, because I'm quite prone to burning myself or burning the food or both. So he's much more of the responsible adult when it comes to this part of cooking.
So now it's my turn to be the responsible adult in this house, because Jen always manages to burn herself on the Ninja. So we're going to put it in for air fry 160, 8 minutes. Okay, right, so open it up and put food in. Close the lid, turn it off. So 160, air fry 8 minutes. Then hopefully we should have a nice lunch.
Okay.
Okay, right, so our one took a little bit longer than the 8 minutes, mainly because I didn't think we didn't warm the air fryer up before, so we should do that, so try and do that. So it's actually been 10 minutes. But as you can see from that, it looks amazing. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to pull it out, put it on a plate, and then we'll have a try. Okay, right, so there it is out the Ninja basket. that thing is great, but the design of it isn't very good with getting stuff in and out of the basket. That's why Jen doesn't use it, just because it burns you every single time if you're not careful. So yeah, it looks good. It smells amazing. Do you want to have a try?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like it's all cooked all the way through as well. The egg is a little bit overdone. It might be worth
Yeah.
just...
Cut a little bit on. Oh. This one.
So there's two things Jen can't use: the ninja and knife and fork. Try.
That is really good.
It smells lovely.
It's like beans on toast with a fried egg. Really good.
Oh wow. Okay guys, so would we recommend this? Yes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little thing up in the bottom corner now of how much each one will cost you, because it's about making good food on a budget, and this wasn't too much. It's 2 crumpets, 1 egg, some beans, some cheese and
Oil.
And a spray oil, that's it. Pretty much most things everyone's got in their cupboards anyway. So definitely recommend it. We've got some more videos coming up as well. We've got a chicken burger. We've got a little bit of a twist on the toasted cheese.
Pancakes.
And pancakes, yeah. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. New channel, please subscribe. It does help us out massively. And see you on the next one.